Everybody wanna swing my way, cause they heard I got a banger. I used to call up, let's see the shrimp page, and they never used to answer. And now they wanna roll with the skyline.
So in today's video, I'm going to be giving you a 1-year update on this hair that I have here. So I did a initial review on this hair over a year ago, and it was this lace front wig, and it was from China Lace Wigs. I think it's useful to update people on your hair after you've used it over a period of time, because of course when you first get some hair it's going to look lovely and luscious, but you need to see how it wears and if it's been manageable and all that type of stuff. So I'm going to tell you guys about how it's held up, if I like it, if I would repurchase it, and if you guys should basically buy it. So if you are interested, please stay tuned. So this hair is from China Lace Wig. It is the Brazilian Virgin Human Hair Curly Lace Front Wig, and it is the code CF022. So the wig type is a lace front Brazilian wig. It says the style is curly. It says it has pre-plucked and bleached knots, and it says baby hairs are included around the perimeter. So this hair that I have here, it was in the colour 1B. The hair length was 24 inches, and basically with this hair there's lace all the way at the front, and there's a little bit of lace at the nape of at the back of the hair, and obviously that means for you to be able to pack the hair up and have a little bit of baby hairs to make it look natural basically. I'm just going to check how much this cost. I don't know if the price has raised or if it's been reduced, but I'm going to check for you guys. Oh, I got it in the density 130, which hasn't got an added extra price, but the highest density you can get is 200%. The price that is coming up with for this one is $230. I can't remember how much that is in pounds, but I feel like the price has risen, because I think when I bought this hair it was around I think it was £160. I think that's what I paid. I don't remember paying more than £160, and I'm the type of person I wouldn't pay more than that. So yeah, I'm going to tell you about my thoughts on the hair, how what it's gone through and all that type of jazz. So this hair, when I first got it, I loved it. It was easy to maintain. It wouldn't tangle it tangles, obviously natural hair, but it was easy to detangle. I never had any problems. Like during the day it wouldn't get super frizzy, it would stay in the style that I would want it to stay into. And with some hair that I've had in the past, I would consistently have to brush, add water to the hair like non-stop, whereas this one I would just top it up if it was lunchtime, if I went to the toilet. It wasn't a hassle for me. This hair has been through so much. I've straightened this hair, I've even bleached this hair. I bleached it so bad, I've even got a tutorial on how I bleached this hair, so if you think I'm lying, I'm going to leave a card up here for you guys to see. It was so badly done. I'm surprised no one even said it was badly done, but yeah, I bleached it so bad that it was literally crisp, and then I even borrowed it to my mum to use. So I gave it to my mum to use, and she literally just said to me, oh, I found one of your wigs. And when she gave it to me, it was matte as hell. It was literally just dumped in a bag, and it just looked horrific. It was obviously orange from where I had bleached it. And I thought, you know what, I'm going to see if I can bring this back to life, because the lace still looked nice, and I was like, you know what, I'm going to try and, help this guy out, because I paid for this. So I went in yesterday and I dyed the hair back to black, and I deep conditioned it and literally let it steam in the conditioner for an hour. And when I say it's nice and soft, the texture that it was 3 days ago is unbelievable to what it is now. The lace front is really nice, if you can see it, and I just feel like it looks nice and natural. The only thing I would say about this hair is that there's not as much as there was before. It has thinned up quite a bit, but I don't think it's down to anything. I don't think that's a bad thing. I've had this for over a year, and I've butchered this hair so much. So I definitely feel like for what it's gone through, it's really held up. I do feel like it is on the pricey side, because obviously I feel like you can get hair cheaper. Like you could go on AliExpress and buy a lace frontal and bundles and do this and make the wig yourself. But personally, the previous curly hairs that I have bought, they've been really hard for me to manage, and I think maybe that's because of my inexperience. But I thought, if you're someone that's a beginner and you aren't good at maintaining hair, this is the type of thing that I would recommend for you, because at the time that I bought this, I was very inexperienced and I didn't know how to maintain hair, hence why I butchered it so much and put it through so much. So I would recommend for people that want curly hair but are not good at always maintaining it. So this, for example, would be really, really nice. And obviously, because you can choose the densities that you want, you could just go for 100% density, and it's not going to be super thick, but it's not thin. It can get away with it being natural, and I thought this is quite natural. And you know, I had women looking at me thinking, "Is that her hair? It's not." And yes. And yeah, I really like it. The lace is really, I didn't bleach the knots or anything like that. I just literally put foundation on it, and it's been really easy for me. So yeah, I would recommend this hair to anyone that is looking for hair. Obviously, it is on the pricey side, because for me, it is not easy to always continuously buy hair because it is quite expensive. But the fact that this has lasted me over a year and I'm still continuing to, I'm going to continue to use it, the £160 that I spent on it, I would do again because it's lasted me so long. And I've seen a few other people do hair reviews on this hair, and I just love the way it's looked to them. And that was the reason why I bought it in the first place. Like, I didn't get this for free, I bought it with my own money. And if I'm saying that I would happily spend £160 on hair again, then boy, it must be good. I think I've said everything I needed to say about this hair. Actually no, I think when it came to me straightening it, it straightened really, really well, and it's reverted back to its exact texture. So it is very, very good quality hair. Like, it's not like artificial or anything like that. I think it's really legit hair because it's been bleached and straightened, and well, as soon as I wet it, it's a nice texture. So yeah, I think that's everything covered. If you guys have any questions you want to know about this hair, feel free to leave comments down below and I'll happily answer them. If you guys want to see, if you guys want to know about any products that are good for curly hair, or you want to see another like curly hair routine, please say down below. I'll happily show you how I slicked my edges and like got this style. So just say down below. And yeah, that is it for this video. If you did enjoy this video, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe and comment, that'd be amazing. And I will see you in my next video, guys. Bye.